everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some rhubarb cookies, and what you'll need is some flour, an egg, 1 cup of rhubarb, some ground cinnamon, some brown sugar, 1 stick of melted butter, which is equivalent to 8 tablespoons, some baking soda, and some baking powder. Alright, and then we need to measure out 1 cup of brown sugar, and it should look like that. Then we need 1 3/4 cup of flour, and with measuring stuff out, it's important that you get it as flat as possible so then it can be as accurate as you can get it. Alright, well, that should be close enough. And then we need 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, then we need 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Alright, and then we're going to mix that all together. And with mixing stuff up, it's important that you get all of the ingredients as mixed up as you can get it. When these ingredients are mixed together, it should look something like this. Alright, and for this part, we need 8 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 cup of diced rhubarb, and then 1 egg. And we're going to mix that all together. Once all the ingredients are mixed together, It should look something like the oven. We need it preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, and for this part, we need some cookie sheets. And then one of these. And then an ice cream scoop or a cookie scoop. And then the dough. Alright, and then the step that we are going to do is we're going to take this and scoop out some of the dough and turn it into balls. And just take out the extras. And then with this part right here, you want it to be as flat as you can get it. And if it kind of sticks, then that's normal. Okay. And then you do this for all of the cookie dough. Alright, and then when all of the cookie dough is on the cookie sheets, it should look something like this, and they should be about the same size. If they're not 100% the same size, then that's okay. And with the cookies, you want to leave to where there's like a little bit of space between the, like around the edges and then like between the cookies. And then if the cookies aren't in a perfect circle, then that's okay. With the cookies, you'll bake them in the oven for about 12 to 14 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. After the cookies are done baking in the oven, it should look something like this. Depending on how cookies are done or not is if they are like golden brown to brown. And it should look something like this for like the golden brown to brown.